It's me, Jimmy. So most of the new laptop do not have any RJ45 jack. So this is a Benfei USB-C to Internet adapter, premium aluminum alloy, Internet up to 1000 megabyte or 1 gigabyte per second. When this thing looks super lightweight. What's going on? Let's see what's going on. Why this thing is looking super lightweight? Let me just hear it. Okay. And then let's see why this thing is super lightweight now. Let's open. It's really tiny. When I say tiny, wow, it's super tiny. Even it has specs on the back. Let me show you. I mean, like this, I plug in. Now I can plug in the RJ45 cable. Wow. I think this one everyone should have in their gadget bag, gadget pouch where they put their flash drive. Everyone should have this one. USB to RJ45 and then USB-C to HDMI, USB-A and USB-C. This is a must buy, must buy, must buy. When I'm telling you it's a must buy, then it's just a must buy. I mean, look at this thing. It's super tiny. No one is paying me for this review. I mean, it's aluminum shell but super lightweight. I just cannot express how lightweight it is. I know there's Ugreen also making similar thing, but Ugreen is a little bit heavy. But I don't like heavy because my gadget pouch is very lightweight. I want something lightweight. So this is tiny. Highly recommended. Subscribe and bye.